Hi, I'm Miss Kristen of the Oosterhout Free Library, and I have a joke for you. What kind of bow can't be tied? Can you think of what it is? Well, there's a hint right behind me. It's a rainbow, because April 3rd is Find a Rainbow Day. Where have you found a rainbow before? Maybe you've seen one on a sunny day after some rain? Why is that? Have you ever wondered how rainbows are made? Do you know how many colors are in a rainbow and in what order? Well, I'm going to share a book with you that will answer those questions and more. Then you'll be ready to go and find your own rainbow and even make one yourself. So let's get started with the book, The Rainbow and You.
The Rainbow and You, written by E.L. Krupp and illustrated by Robin Rector Krupp, published by HarperCollins Books. Some people say there is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, but it's never been found. The real treasure of the rainbow is its colors. Have you ever tried to walk under a rainbow? You can't. And you can't touch a rainbow either. That doesn't mean rainbows aren't real. It just means that they aren't solid. Rainbows are actually light. You can only catch one with your eyes. Most of the time, people say that the rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can remember the colors with this sentence: run unto your gold before it vanishes. Or red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Or meet Roy G. Biv. Roy G. Biv gets his name from the 7 colors of the rainbow. He is a rainbow expert. He knows all about lighting and special effects. Some people use his name to remember the colors of the rainbow. The rainbow gets its name from its shape and from the weather that makes it happen. Long ago, people thought that the rainbow looked like a bow for shooting arrows. Because they saw this bow of color only when it had been raining, they called it the rainbow. It takes more than rain to make a rainbow. It also takes sunshine. Whenever you look at a rainbow, the sun is behind you. The falling raindrops in the distance in front of you are like a movie screen. Sunlight hits the raindrop screen and the rainbow appears in full color. Sun plus rain equals rainbow. The ancient Greeks noticed the way rainbows come and go, and said that the rainbow travels with a messenger from the gods. They called her Iris, and said that she flies along the rainbow's colorful bridge between heaven and earth. She magically lifts water from the earth into the clouds, and it falls as rain. The Vikings believed a rainbow bridge connected Asgard, the Sky Kingdom, with Midgard, the earth below. There is a rainbow of color in your box of crayons, but some of those crayons have colors you'll never see in a rainbow. Black, browns, grays, and other hues are mixtures that sunlight can't put into the rainbow. Isaac Newton is the scientist who explained the rainbow. Newton showed that sunlight is really made of the rainbow's colors. When those colors are all mixed together, we call it white light. Newton bent the sunlight with a wedge of glass called a prism, and made a rainbow out of sunlight in a darkened room. He then sent that rainbow through another prism and combined the colors back into white light. That proved that the rainbow was in sunlight. How can raindrops spread sunlight into all those colors? Well, they bend the light. Raindrops are water, and water can bend light. In the air, all of the colors in the sunlight travel together in the same direction. When they enter the raindrop, the colors separate as they bend in different directions. The back of the raindrop works like a mirror. The light is bent and bounced around, and if you're in the right place, you will see some of that light as a rainbow. When you see a single rainbow, red is always on the outside of the arc, and violet is always on the inside. Some of the sunlight in a raindrop bounces twice, and that light can add a second rainbow above the first. In a double rainbow, the outer rainbow is fainter, and the colors in the second rainbow are reversed. Violet is on the top, and red is on the bottom. Rainbows usually last only a few minutes, but you can train yourself to be a good eyewitness reporter. Before you turn the page, try to notice as many things as possible about your rainbow. Rainbow reporting. What is the date and year? What is the season? Where are you? What is the time? How long did the rainbow last? In what direction was the sun? In what direction was the rainbow? Was the sun high or low? Was the rainbow high or low? Was the rainbow complete? Did it change? Was it a single or double rainbow? In what order were the colors? What about the sky on either side of the rainbow? Could you see through the rainbow? Handy rainbow rules. Rainbows are always opposite the sun. When the sun is low, the rainbow is high. The higher the sun, the lower the rainbow. The most rainbow you can see from flat ground is a semicircle. This would happen only at sunrise or sunset. When viewed from an airplane or a very high mountain, a rainbow can be a complete circle. The sky is bright inside the rainbow and dark outside. Some rays of light bounce out the raindrops at other angles and add white light inside the rainbow. In winter, the raindrops freeze into snowflakes, so we get fewer rainbows. Rain forests and rainy tropical islands like Hawaii get rainbows more frequently. Most of the raindrops that make your rainbow are about 2 miles away, but you can make your own nearby rainbow with a hose. Stand with your back to the sun and spray in front of you. That rainbow is right in your own neighborhood. Sometimes you can see rainbow colors without the bow, like oil in a puddle, CDs, soap bubbles, pearls, and some shells bring us rainbow colors even when there's no rain. Our world is the only planet in the solar system where rainbows are possible. The sun makes the earth just the right temperature to let water roll in the ocean, spray in the waves, pool in the lakes, run in the rivers, collect in the clouds, and then fall as rain. Without that water, we wouldn't have rainbows. Since no one sees exactly the same rainbow, that rainbow you see belongs to you. Now that you know how to watch the rain and the sun, you belong to the Rainbow Patrol. Rainbow Patrol Deputy. From YG Biv, Rainbow Patrol Lifetime Membership. That's you. That's the rainbow and you. The end.
Wow, now you're a rainbow expert. And you can go on Rainbow Patrol and maybe find or make your own rainbow. Now, that book had a lot of information with some good questions to think about when you're looking for rainbows. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can look at the questions again. Now, the book taught us that rainbows happen because light is bent when passing through water. You can see that in this picture and try it out for yourself. You're going to need a glass of water, a pen or a pencil or a straw, and then you're going to put that pencil or straw in the glass of water at an angle. Look at the glass from the side. How does the pencil or straw look? Does it look bent or broken? Try it and find out for yourself. The book shows you how you can make a rainbow using a garden hose, but you'll need a sunny, warm day. I'll show you some ways that you can make a rainbow right inside your house. First, you'll need a source of light, like a sunny day or a sunny window, or even a flashlight in a dark room. A glass of water, a piece of white paper, and maybe you might need an adult helper. First, you're going to find an area with a sunny window, or you can use a flashlight in a darkened room. Then place the white piece of paper on a flat surface underneath a glass of water. The light from the sun or flashlight will shine through the glass and refract or bend to display the other colors of the rainbow right on the paper. I'll put these directions in the description box below. Here's a helpful hint. If you're using a sunny window, you might have to move the glass of water up and down in order to get the correct angle for the sun to go through the glass and to shine the rainbow colors onto the paper. If you're using a flashlight in a darkened room, you might have to use the flashlight, move it at different angles to get the colors to appear. Now, you may not see an arc like in a real rainbow right here, but you definitely will see some colors of the rainbow. The kind of flashlight that you use might also make a difference in the colors that you see on your paper. Explore some more. If you have a small mirror, put the water in a tub or other container, then place the mirror in the water halfway at a 45-degree angle. Then shine your light at the mirror and project the rainbow on the paper above it. How does the rainbow look? Does it look different than the other rainbows that you made? Try it and find out. If you happen to have one of these things lying around your house, yep, it's a CD. Well, if you have one of these lying around, you can make some really cool rainbows with just a CD and a flashlight or even the sun. Point the light at the shiny surface here and then use another surface to reflect off of and see what kind of rainbows you can make. What kind of colors do you get? Are they different or are they the same as the other rainbows that you made? Try it and find out. The last way to make a rainbow is one of my favorite. Draw your own rainbow. Now that you know the order of the colors in the rainbow, thanks to Roy G. Biv, you can make a scientifically correct and beautiful rainbow picture to hang on your wall. That way, you can always find a beautiful rainbow whenever you need one. I hope you had fun. I hope you keep exploring, and I hope that you find that rainbow. See you next time. Bye.